right, here we are. So let's review arc measures, central angles, and inscribed angles. So the arc measure is equal to the central angle. The arc is the outside, right, that goes along the outside, is equal to the central angle. So let's add something here. So if you notice they're equal, this a center angle is equal to the arc. That means that I can do this. Look at that. That goes to the center, right? Central, to the center of the circle. The central angle is equal to the arc. Well, we already know that already. It's just backwards, right? So we know that. We can do that. So look, it's like a slice of pie here, right? Now this bottom one is different though. This one is an inscribed angle. The angle goes all the way to the other side. So even though the arc is blue still, we're going to use green to go all the way across to the other side. See? So this angle is not equal to the arc. That's why they are different colors, right? And we know that the inscribed angle is half of the arc. So let me show you what we're going to do today in the assignment today. Now, I know it might look a little complicated, but it's not complicated. Okay? As long as we follow what we need to follow, we're going to be okay. So, in circle B, right? B's in the middle. Here's the circle. It says measure angle ABC. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find ABC. Remember, B is where the angle is going to be. It's the center. Oh. Right? So, A, B, C. So if you notice, that goes to the center here, right? It's a central angle. So this is in blue. So let's do this one in blue here like this. That's in blue. So that means that this is my arc over here like this. Look at that. That's my arc AC right there. Okay? So this is actually in blue. This is B here. Right? And that's going to be 60. So that means that this angle is 60 degrees. That means that this arc over here, AC, is also 60 degrees because they are equal, right? Next, it says, find the measure angle ADC. D is my key letter here, right? So where is that? So let's take a look. A to D to C. A to D to C. Look, it goes all the way across to the other side of the circle, just like this one. Look at that, all the way across. This one goes all the way across. So let's make this one green here. Look at that. And this, it's what's missing right here, right? So these are inscribed angles. So we're going to use our inscribed angles formula. So inscribed angles, I'm going to say IA. So IA is equal to the arc divided by 2. Oh, let me use that in blue because the arc is in blue. Arc divided by 2. So what is the inscribed angle, which is in green? It's this one right here, ADC. So angle ADC is equal to the arc. Well, how much is the arc? The arc is 60 divided by 2, right? Which is arc AC, excuse me. This should have been AC to the arc. I got ahead of myself. So now, angle ADC is question mark. I have no idea what it is equal to the arc AC, which is 60 degrees, divided by 2. Well, 60 divided by 2 is simple. Question mark is equal to 30 degrees. So that means that this angle here, angle ADC, is equal to 30 degrees. Right? So it's all about how you highlight. So please be sure that you copy these circles as best as you can on your own paper to make sure that you are highlighting or using your colored pencils correctly. Okay, let's do this next one here. Same way. So in circle K, so K is in the center and here's the circle. Angle JKL. Remember K is my clue here, my center. JKL. So this goes to the center, so I'm going to use my blue here. JKL. That means that my arc is right there, right? Because I'm creating my piece of pie here. Right? So, and these are equal to each other. Remember the piece of pie? They are central angle equal to the arc. So whatever the arc is equal to the center angle. And it says here JKL is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. That means that arc JL is also 90 degrees. So let's see what else it says. Find, measure angle JML. M is the center. Focus on that. JML. So my green goes from J to M to L. It says find that. So this is where my question mark goes, right there. So it looks a little weird, but let's use our formula. What does our formula say? Inscribed angle equals to the arc divided by 2. So again, let's use IA for inscribed angle is equal to the arc divided by 2. Right? So we have the inscribed angle is the green here, is JML. So angle JML is equal to the arc. What is the arc? The arc is arc J to L. So we say arc JL divided by 2. So the inscribed angle is question mark JML. We don't know what JML is, so it's question mark is equal to the arc. How much is the arc? The arc is 90 degrees, JL. So we say 90 divided by 2. And perfect, 90 divided by 2, we say question mark is equal to 45 degrees. Exactly. So the question mark is angle JML. So angle JML is equal to 45 degrees. Look at that. What's up, buddy? Okay, you have to be quiet, okay? Because I'm doing the videos. Okay? So, on these ones, did you notice that we found green? We were finding green. Green, the inscribed angle is what was missing. The angle that went all the way across, the green is what was missing on this one. ADC. On this one was JML. JML. So on the next two examples, we're going to see when what happens when the center angle, the central angle is missing. So let's take a look here. Let's switch. All right. So let's see how this one here. It says encircle L. L is the center of the circle. The circle goes around L, right? So it says measure angle KN. N is my key, right? KNM. KNM. If you notice, KN is not in the center. It's not a central angle, so this one's not going to be blue. This one's going to be green. KNM. KNM. Now remember, this is the arc, but we're not going to highlight it in green. Because remember, the arc is in blue. The arc is in blue, right? So it is not in green, okay? It says KNM is 53. So KNM, we're going to say is 53. It says find measure angle KLM. KLM. So from L is the important letter, right? The middle one. This one does go to the center. Look, it goes to the central. It's the central angle. So we go central, central. Now this one is the one that we're going to do in blue. Now it says find KLM. So KLM is what's missing. That's the question mark. Now remember, the central angle is equal to the arc. So if this is question mark, this is also question mark as well. Now we can set up the formula that we've been setting up before. Inscribed angle equals arc divided by 2. So I'm going to use IA for inscribed angle. IA is equal to the arc divided by 2. Well, the inscribed angle here is the green is KNM. Angle KNM is equal to the arc. What is the arc? From K to M. So arc KM divided by 2. So let's substitute now. How much is KNM? Well, it's the green one. It's 53. 53 is equal to, how much is the arc? Arc KM is question mark. We don't know. Divided by 2. So I want to solve for question mark. I want to get rid of this dividing by 2. So the opposite of dividing by 2, if I move it over, is multiplying by 2. So 53, 2 times 53 is 106. So 106 is equal to the question mark. And what is the question mark? Which angle? Angle KLM. So 106 is equal to angle KLM. So this time we found the blue. We found the central angle. Okay, remember, it's very important on this. You cannot just watch the video and learn it. You have to draw these on your paper. It's very important. When you're doing your Delta math work, please copy these and write these on your paper. It doesn't have to be perfect circles. It doesn't, but it's important. You have to use the colored markers, pencils, highlighters, crayons, whatever. Please, it's very important so you don't get confused, okay? Let's do the last example here. It says, encircle S. S is my circle, is my center of the circle, and here's my circle. It says, measure angle RUT. U is my important letter here. Point. R-U-T. If you notice, U is not in the center, so this is going to be green. R-U-T. Oops, not too straight here. But R-U-T. Well, how much? Again, the arc is not going to be green because remember, the arc is always in blue, right? Because the arc is equal to the central angle, not the inscribed, the central. So, how much is RUT? RUT is 66. Then it says, find measure angle RST, right? S is my key point here, RST. S is in the center. So we're going to go RST here. So that means that RT is my arc. RT is my arc here. So it says find RST. So in here, I'm going to draw a little arrow here like this, is what I'm looking for. That's my question mark. So remember, the central angle is equal to the arc. So that means that this is question mark as well. So again, let's use our formula. Inscribed angle is equal to the arc divided by 2. So we say IA is equal to the arc divided by 2. So what is my inscribed angle? What is my green here? RUT. Angle RUT is equal to the arc. What is my arc? From R to T. Arc RT is divided by 2. Right? So now let's fill in our information. What do I have? Angle RUT is 66. 66 is equal to RT. How much is RT? We don't know how much RT is, so this is question mark divided by 2. And now to get question mark by itself, I have to get rid of this dividing by 2. So the inverse or the opposite of dividing by 2, if I cross it out, it's multiplying by 2 on this side. So 166 times 2 is 132 is equal to the question mark. And this question mark is equal to that question mark, so that means that angle RST is 132 degrees. And, right. So, these two examples, we found the central angle, which was in blue. In blue was the question mark. That's what was missing. First, we found the inscribed angle, which was in green, right? But the formula is the same. IA is equal to arc divided by 2. IA is equal to arc divided by 2. IA is equal to arc divided by 2, and IA is equal to arc divided by 2. So remember, follow your formula. Please copy and highlight. Copy your circles on your own paper. Use your colored pencils. Use your markers.